Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Nokia G300. The Nokia's most recent phone. On October 12, 2021, this phone was officially released. It also has a 64GB storage capacity and 4GB of RAM. The Nokia G300 has a 6.52-inch touchscreen display with 720x1600 pixel resolution and a 29 aspect ratio. The Qualcomm SM350 Snapdragon 485G octa-core processor powers the phone. Adreno 619 is the GPU, and the camera has a 16-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel camera. On the front, there's also an 8MP wide camera. The Nokia G300 has a 4,470 mAh non-removable battery that supports 18-watt fast charging. The fingerprint sensor is located on the phone's side, and it also includes an accelerometer, gyroscope, and proximity sensor. The Nokia G300 is available in two colors, Midnight Sun and Ocean Blue. This phone runs Android 11 and includes GPS, GLONASS, BDS, FM radio, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, NFC, and USB on-the-go functionality. The Nokia G300 is expected to retail for $199. The Nokia G300 is an excellent phone